Welcome. You are welcome to Learning Kids. Dear students, 5 words left to learn your ABC alphabets. So let's start with remaining letters V, W, X, Y, Z. V for van, in Urdu, gaadi. W for watermelon, in Urdu, tarboos. X for X-ray, in Urdu, X-ray. Y for yo-yo, in Urdu, lattu. Z for zoo, in Urdu, chidiyaghar. Task complete. Dear students, I hope you enjoy the session. Like, subscribe, share my channel Learning for All.